day 13. So it was Monday and 29th. What about questions, SBA, diagram gesture area for in the documentation. Talked a little bit about security and the layer 2 switch. Thought the students did a nice job. Talked about ports, native VLAN. The students went through and looked at issues. And here's the general layout of the network that we've talked about many times. They did a little bit of research on this extra router and workstation. Then we used this scenario to talk about some routing topics. Talking about routers, forwarding packets, finding the best path. The best path we can put in statically, or we can use a routing protocol to do dynamically. And we used router RIP, RIP, that should be router RIP version 2. Routing table. Router produces a table. We can do that by either process switching. The CPU looks up every packet, fast forwarding, look up the first packet, and then forward the rest based on that. Or Cisco Express forwarding away. It creates a forwarding information base of information that then it can just move the traffic through. This is the easiest way to think about right now, to think about routing, but this is how it's actually done. So routing tables that were designed for IP version 4, which initially was classful addressing, rather than change those to meet classless interdomain routing that we're currently doing. Eventually everything's going to be IP6. And that's it.